Hello everyone, welcome to Chemizon Complete Chemistry. So in this video we are going to solve this question of JAM 2026, that is this year's paper, and the question is these two molecules are given and we have to identify the stereochemical relationship. Okay, that means whether they are identical, regioisomers, enantiomers or diastereomers. So here if you see at the first glance you can see that this methyl is here, and in the second structure you can see here the methyl is at the other position. Rest if you see everything is same, the stereochemistry of both the hydrogen is same and the other structure is same. So if you mark the answer as regioisomers, that would be incorrect. Okay, that would be an incorrect answer. See, you have to be very careful whenever you have a 3D structure. Okay, you have to be very careful, you have to do some rotations, okay, and check 3D rotations and check whether it is identical or not, or whether they are diastereomers or enantiomers. So you have to be very careful. In Fisher projection formula it is fine, it is straightforward answer, but whenever they give wedge dash formula you have to do the rotations and check. So regioisomers, here it will be an incorrect answer. Now let us see why. So in the first structure here, what is given? Cyclohexene. Okay, whenever cyclohexane or cyclohexene is given, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to draw it in the chair form. Okay, so draw the chair form of cyclohexene. So here there is double bond, methyl. Okay, and then this is trans, right? Both the hydrogen, one is above, one is below. So this is like a trans decalene. Only instead of 6-membered ring, here there is this 5-membered anhydride. So hydrogen is above the plane, here hydrogen is below the plane, and then there is a 5-membered ring. Okay, so you can write 5-membered ring like this. So here we have carbonyl, then next to it there is oxygen, then again there is a carbonyl. Okay, so now in the second structure if you see, methyl is here. So how can I bring methyl here? So what I have to do is I have to rotate this molecule out of plane like this. So this methyl will come here. Now in this process what will happen to the hydrogens? Now this hydrogen which is above the plane, if I rotate it, this will become below the plane, and this hydrogen which is below the plane, it will go above the plane. Okay, so what structure I will get? Okay, the double bond methyl. Okay, the hydrogen which was below, now it will come above the plane. This hydrogen which was above the plane, it will go below the plane. Okay, and the 5-membered ring will be something like this: oxygen and carbonyl. So now this structure, if I want to write down in the wedge dash formula, how would it look like? There is a 6-membered ring, double bond, methyl, then there is a 5-membered ring. Okay, hydrogen is what? Here it is above the plane, and here it is below the plane. So you can see what we have drawn is the same second structure. So suppose this is A and this is B, then what are both relation between A and B? They are what? They are both identical, because A molecule only we rotated, we did out of plane rotation and we got the structure B. So both are what? Identical. Okay, so the correct answer here is what? Option D. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.